I told you I was going to go at your arms today. Folks, that's what's called programming. That's what is known in my industry as programming. You just put it together so that all of the workouts fit and make you completely fit by the end of the week. So I'm excited that you're here. Let's talk about Stab Medley. It's one of the oldest workouts that I have by far. I made this one up 1998. I think I created it in 98. And I was doing it with the Utah jazz dancers who I trained for about a decade. And I beat them up. I beat them up so bad that when I put it on the general population in the first gym that I opened, I had a full house. The whole gym was clear full. I had like 11 people in it. Back then it was kind of little, right? And the thing is that day we had 2 visiting personal trainers, and I knew them personally. I knew of them in the town. I also knew they were kind of kingpins in my world, my personal training world. And in the middle of triceps, they got up and walked out. After the second round of 4 rounds, they got up and walked out. And on the way out, the lady sat there and yelled at me. She yelled bullshit. This is bullshit, Anderson. Nobody can do that much work. And since then, everybody can do this much work. And as a matter of fact, on that day, I had my own doubts. And I no longer do. This is a very cool workout. That's why when you get to here, veterans only, rookies ignore. Okay, when you get to this point, I challenge you today, if you're doing 4 rounds, to give me all 4 rounds. It works like this. You're gonna take your shoulders, your triceps, your abs, and your biceps, stab, get it? It's not just knifing you. It's an acronym, right? It's an abbreviation. Stab Medley is about shoulders, triceps, abs, and biceps. These 2 right here are damn near impossible to get through. That being said, I'm not sure I really want you to get through them today. So you decide. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 2 rounds of this. I'll get plenty sore in those 2 rounds. Understand, veterans, if you do all 4 rounds of this, you're out of shape. You're gonna get sore. This has devastating soreness power. Please be careful with Stab Medley. It looks novel. This damn thing is no joke, okay? Do these, go look up each of the movements, study them, know exactly what you should be doing and how to do them. They're quite simple. What you need to know is going from front raises to upright rows to overhead presses, you're not resting. Don't put it down and walk around. You're going straight from there to here to overhead, no rest. Do them all if you can. Rookies, ignore that. Ignore that, okay? From there, I'm gonna go to that narrow push-ups. Notice, this is the only one that kind of deviates from it. If I was counting you through these today, I would count you over 10. I would say the 11 and the 12, and then cute little Kristen would be like, stop! And then I would remember. Okay, so you remember, don't do 20 of those. This is 10 only. And then you're gonna go to the skull crushers and the overhead triceps extensions. No rest, same as we did here. You're going straight from that to that to that. You're gonna take maybe a breath in between, but not 2, okay? From there, it's abs. This is the cardiovascular portion of our workout. This, you're not gonna stop even at the top. When you do these two, you can do that one, and then rest. Do it again, and then rest, however many of the rounds you're gonna do. Not on your abs. Today, you're just gonna roll and roll and roll. You're gonna go straight from the sit-ups to the side-ups to the side-ups to the Superman, and then you're gonna start back over with the sit-ups, no rest, if you can. Rookies, ignore. Lastly, the biceps. It's just a good old-fashioned 21, but there's something I want you to see. In general, I've told you that I will try to program workouts that use nothing more than a single dumbbell. That's not kind of true anymore. I hope those of you that have a dumbbell will go get 2 and have 2, and then you're gonna get more out of this. Go look at the video on our 21 and then do it exactly as the video says. Those of you that were conned into just getting 1 bicep or 1 dumbbell by me, first of all, I'm sorry. Second of all, I do got you, dude. Okay, here's how you do it. You're gonna just do, instead of going from the up here and down like it says, what I want you to do instead is every time you're gonna start in the middle, okay? Instead of going from down to half and back up, you're gonna start at half, up for 7, okay? Start at half, down for 7, and then come to this position, which is flexed, and you're gonna do your 7 there, and you'll get a little bit more out of those. And that's how you would use a single dumbbell. The rest of you, do them as it's written with a double bicep. And if you've got a 25-pound bar, use it. Okay, from there, post something to comments. I suggest it be something like, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Okay, we need you, man. We need you. We're a community, and we have to stick together through this thing. And the only way that we know that you're there is if you let us know. So please comment, please like, please share. People need this stuff. It's free. It's free. Let them have it. And I'd be happy if they did. But for you, I gotta know you're out there. I'm excited to hear how you did today. Let me know that you're here. Let me know that you did it. Whatever it is that you leave, I'm excited to hear that from you. I'll talk to you about this later.